Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a fan of bold, dazzling lips that really make a statement, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Today we're exploring Red Lipstick Glitter number 47 from Royal Care Cosmetics, a product that promises a brilliant, glittery finish for your lips, whether you're at home or in a professional salon setting. Right off the bat, this lipstick combines the richness of a classic red with a sparkling glitter effect, right, aiming to give your lips both color and shine in one swipe. It's designed to feel lightweight and soft, making application easy while keeping lips comfortable throughout the day. The formula is built to be versatile, whether you're going for an intense glam look for a night out or a subtle shimmer for daytime wear. I tried Red Lipstick Glitter number 47 in a few different scenarios to see how it performs in real life. The texture is smooth and creamy, gliding over lips without tugging or feeling heavy. The glitter particles are finely milled, which means they don't feel chunky or irritating, a crucial factor for anyone who's sensitive to textured lip products. Longevity-wise, it held up well during casual sipping and talking, though I did notice it requires a touch-up after meals to maintain that flawless shine. One thing to note is that glitter lipsticks can sometimes migrate outside the lip line, so a lip liner or a light dab of concealer around the edges helps keep the look sharp. The pros are pretty clear: vibrant color payoff, comfortable wear, and a stunning glitter finish that actually feels light. On the flip side, it's not completely smudge-proof, and the glitter does need occasional reapplication if you're eating or drinking. In terms of value for money, Royal Care Cosmetics isn't the cheapest option out there, but considering the quality of the pigment and the soft, non-drying formula, it feels justified, especially if you're someone who loves high-impact looks without the irritation of heavy glitter. Compared to other glitter lipsticks on the market, this one strikes a good balance between color intensity and comfort. Though if you're on a tighter budget, some brands offer similar sparkle at a lower price point, but they often sacrifice wearability or comfort. The packaging is straightforward but sturdy enough for both salon and home use. It's compact and travel-friendly, which I really appreciate for touch-ups on the go. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Red Lipstick Glitter number 47 from Royal Care Cosmetics delivers a brilliant, eye-catching look with a comfortable, wearable formula. It's ideal for anyone who wants a dramatic, sparkling red lip without the discomfort of heavy glitter. If you've tried it already, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.